As you can see, I have a sketch with dimensions of 2800 by 1500. One key thing to note is that our sketch is not vertically centered with respect to the artboard dimensions. In the Prepare Shape from Sketch panel, we can use the value 2.8 for dimension X, and the value 1.5 for dimension Y. In addition to representing the detail of the mesh, the Subdive parameter can also be considered the resolution for the texture. At default, the View Texture checkbox is ticked, so we're unchecking texture before modeling. You can click the folder icon to choose your texture image, as I did. You can adjust the texture to be balanced and symmetrical with the Transform Texture panel. You can see how that smooth level affects the shape. For symmetrical sketches, the Bend or Twist option is a logical choice, allowing you to freely bend or twist the shape. For asymmetric sketches, you can select the Deform on Curve option because our default object is a Bezier curve. This means you can also apply this geometry node setup to another Bezier curve object. You can use the Ctrl+T shortcut to deform the block to follow the default Bezier curve in edit mode. Thank you.